Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive. But today I'm participating in the Falling into Harvest Tablescape Challenge. Now, before I jump into this Tablescape Challenge, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Tap your bell 2 times and you'll know when I am uploading a video. All right, everyone. Let's get right into this Falling into Harvest Tablescape Challenge. Everyone, I am actually co-hosting the Falling into Harvest Tablescape Challenge. Now, for this Falling into Harvest Tablescape Challenge, we had to create a fall tablescape with a twist. And the twist was you could not use any orange pumpkins in the tablescape. You chose whatever color you want, whatever style you want. You just couldn't use orange. We had a hashtag to use for this tablescape challenge as well. And you can use one pumpkin, or you can add as many as you want. Now, the host of this Falling into Harvest Tablescape Challenge is none other than Miss Shangie from Shangie Living Life to the Fullest. The other co-host is Gigi Faison, Timeless Elegance Designs by V, and Fabulous Designs on a Budget with Miss Marilyn. And I do know she's getting ready to go through a channel name change, which will be the Cozy Lifestyle with Miss Marilyn. But I'm dropping everyone's channel link down in that description box. Now I'm going to let you see what I created for this Falling into Harvest Tablescape. Please make sure you go check out the host and the other co-host video. Don't forget to hit that playlist link to see what all you wonderful creators did create for this Falling into Harvest Tablescape. All right, now, without further ado, let me let you see. fluorescent plate mat. This is a DIY, and you will be seeing how I created this very shortly. But it's a fluorescent plate mat. I started with that white charger with my turquoise teal plate that is also a DIY. And I layered it in with that sequence napkin against that rhinestone apple. Now, as you can see, I put my eating utensils in traditional form, and I also layered in a pumpkin, and it's actually a teal and gold pumpkin. And also you see I have my DIY rhinestone wine glass, that white champagne chute, with that other turquoise wine glass, but in this case we're using it as a water glass. Now, both of my sides are identical as always. Now, the heads of my tables are the same, and I always make sure that I try to do my heads the same. So I did still layer it with a DIY plate mat, and this one here is solid silver, and my charger here is different. It's solid. It is solid silver as well. I took that same DIY plate with that sequence napkin, and this apple here is gold. Everything else is exactly the same. Now, my centerpiece started with the layering of my white table runner. And everyone, this runner is actually from the Dollar Tree. I just combined two to get the length that I needed. So we started with that table runner, and you know we had to have pumpkins, but wasn't orange. And as you can see throughout the table, I have different versions of blue pumpkin, but the key portion of my pumpkins is turquoise and teal. So I have my two turquoise mercury glass pumpkin, and I'm going to let you see because they do light up. As you can see, they're both lit up. So I started with that. Then here on the right hand side, you see my 3-piece candle holder. That is actually a DIY with that rhinestone apple and that other white and turquoise teal pumpkin. That is a DIY as well. I layered it with my 2 crystal candle holders with my white candles. Now the centerpiece, I have that other rhinestone and diamond pumpkin. That is a DIY. I'm DIYing y'all with this table with my white pumpkin with that turquoise teal blue topping. That is a DIY. I also have my ginger jar in the center, and I have it layered with my silver picks and sprays mixed with the white flour. Now I know I needed fall, which I was going for the mum, but the mum to me drowned it out, so I just chose this look here. But this actually completes this falling into harvest tablescape. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed what I created for this Falling into Harvest tablescape. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and you can see, and I promise you from what you will see today, that you can create an amazing fall tablescape without ever including the color orange. Thank you, Miss Shangie, for inviting me to be your co-host. I truly do appreciate it. Thank you, Gigi, Miss V, and Miss Marilyn for also co-hosting with her. Again, every one of these ladies' channel links is in my description box. If you're not a family of theirs, please go by and show them some love and support. Let them know that Tammy sent you. All right. If you've been rolling with me for a while, you already know what time it is. You know your girl can't close out anything without always letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive. And don't forget, the Queen of DIY gives you fresh content on Tuesdays and Fridays every week with the exception of collaborations. I'll see y'all in another video very soon. Have a wonderful day.